Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back again with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can link your Capcom ID account to your STEM account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to cid.capcom.com. As you go to cid.capcom.com, you'll be able to see an option that says login, through which by entering the correct credentials, you'll be able to log into your account. As you log into your account, on the upper right hand side there are three horizontal lines. When you tap on it and then tap on the option that says account, you'll be able to land on an interface that looks like this. So here you can see different information regarding your profile, your account, your personal information, and then you also have a section that says external account links. Under external account links, you can see different networks like PlayStation, Xbox Live, STEM, and Stadia. Since you're trying to link your STEM account to this, tap on the link option underneath STEM. As you tap on the link option, you will now be directed towards this page where it says that the account will be linked with the Capcom ID you're currently logged into. So simply tap on link with STEM. And as you do that, it says here sign into cid.capcom.com using your STEM account. So all you have to do is you'll have to simply enter your STEM username and then STEM password and then tap on sign in. And after you do this, what will happen is that your Capcom ID will get linked to your STEM ID. So this is basically how it works. It's a very simple process, and I hope that this video has guided you through it. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below. Also let us know if your account linkage was successful after watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to App Guide. Also, please do hit the bell notification so that you get notified each time that we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you around next time.